So I got the prime rib in there, got my seasoning, got a little bit of, got some garlic, some jalapenos, some of this stuff. I kind of mixed this up. I made this myself. I took some other seasonings and mixed it all together. So it's not just Cajun. And I put me some of this, a little bit of this for the water, and some garlic. But after I cook the meat to a certain point, then I'm gonna put this in there, this right here, and we're gonna see how it comes out. And I sprayed out the pan. I sprayed the pan with the PAM. This stuff right here makes it real easy to clean. Nothing sticks to the pan. This pan is already made out of some kind of material where nothing hardly ever sticks to it anyways. But so I got the water in there to where it's not covering up the meat, and I'm gonna be able to cook this thing. But the way that the key to doing it is not covering the meat all the way up with the water, and that's how it's gonna cook. It's gonna be more like more kind of like a grill or a skillet. But I'm gonna show you how it comes out. Here's the meat. Man, it's tender. Look at that. Look at that. Dang. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add me just a tad bit more water. And then I'm gonna put this spaghetti in there. Man, that meat's tender. You seen how that prime rib just broke in half like that? So yeah, I'm gonna put this in there. So I got it in there. I'm gonna let y'all know how it goes once it's finished. I still got me about 52 minutes to drive before I get to my destination. Man, what's going on, y'all? Man, I'm here at my delivery. They got an overnight parking, so I'm gonna start my brake, shut it down, and get ready to deliver in the morning, unload, and yeah, check it out, man. How it came out, man. I know this is gonna be good. This is probably gonna be the best recipe yet, man. I took that prime rib I showed y'all, and I cooked it first, and then I took that and put that in there. So you know, that's just a little meal. That's just a little meal that y'all can cook, man. I cooked that while I was driving, man. Basically, the little crock pot thing right here, that's the reason why I love this thing so much. You know, I made that meal like that, you know, basically while I was driving, you know, for living on the road. Y'all know how it is how it is eating out here sometimes, man. And I'm just saying, I'm pretty proud of that meal right there. I haven't tasted it yet, but I already know it's gonna taste good. So I'm getting ready to chow down, y'all. Yep. That was one full day. That was 12 hours of driving right there. $1,700. The pickup and delivery times took I picked up on Monday. I'm delivering Wednesday morning. So when I seen that load, I jumped on it. It may not have been the most per mile, but at least I wasn't like bopping around trying to chase, $500 or $600, trying to go just like maybe 150 miles, So I knocked out that 700 miles for the $1,700. So the next load I got, I'm fixing to deadhead to Elizabeth, New Jersey, and then pick up a load and carry that down to Virginia, $1,400 next day delivery. And I'm booked all the way till the 4th. As of right now, on the 4th, I'll be actually the 3rd, late in the day. I'll be in Easton, PA, empty in Easton, PA. So I'm looking for something on the 4th or maybe on the 3rd, depending on what kind of load it is. Something late. So that's it is what it is. Bazoodos. I'm eating this right now, and it's amazing, man. Seriously, I'm not even exaggerating, man. I can't even believe that this was cooked in the truck. Man. I don't know if it was a steak or look. You see that? I don't know if it was a steak or just the way that I did it. Man, it came out good. Man. What's going on? We're fixing to head across the Chesapeake Bay. Going to use the tunnel bridge system. They said the winds are at 13 miles per hour, gusting up to 20. So I think it's good to go. It doesn't really feel that windy out here. It's a slight breeze, but I don't think it's anything that's going to blow the truck over. But yeah, we're heading up to Canton right now. Low paying $1,400. Next day delivery. And I'm not going to take 95 back up north through DC. There was too much construction. I'm going to go on ahead and take this bridge and fade these tolls. Now look at this one, y'all. This is beef cheek right here, and it's tender. So I'm gonna have to go clean that up. What's going on, everybody? It's Kelly here. Over here, parked on the other side of the water from the city. I think I'm gonna shut down tonight. I gotta be over here in Camden at 7 o'clock p.m. tomorrow, deliver a load for Uber. Let me show y'all. I'm on booked. It's a load I'm on right now. $1,400. Virginia Beach to Canton. A van load. So I picked this load up this morning in Norfolk, So I took the Chesapeake Bay Bridge right there and went up the East Beach of Virginia, caught a little piece of Maryland, and then went it all the way straight up Delaware, crossed over at the Wilmington, Delaware Bridge, and right now, that's where I'm at right now. So I got me a spot over here at this rest area, and I wasn't going to stop here at first, but I decided that I was really checking on my meat. See, I took everything in there, did my dishes and everything, and did a detail on my pot. But look at this, man! Look at that! Look at that meat right there. That's beef cheek. Man, I wish you could smell it. It smells so good. But anyhow, that's where we're at right now, man. I'm fixing the next project on the truck. I'm gonna install a mini split on my truck. I'm gonna take out the Dometic and install a mini split. But yeah, what we got on right now. Little quick video, let y'all know how things are going. So after that Uber load that I'm on right now, let's see. Oh, okay. So after this load I'm on right now, booked Virginia Beach, and then I'm gonna be picking up in Northampton and delivering next day in Roanoke, Virginia. And then I'm gonna be picking up in Ridgeway, delivering next day in Easton, PA. And then my next load after that's C.H. Robinson load. And anyhow, that's what way things are going right now. Peace. And this right here is lamb leg. Just making something up. So there's the lamb leg right there. Fixing to put some rice in there, cook it in that juice. Look at that. All in the truck while driving. Got my mango ripening.